There's always a recipe for a roll-on. And that's why you get these rollers in your big bonus box. You also get coconut oil so you can dilute your rollers too. This one is citrus fresh, grapefruit, and tea tree. And then they also give you labels for everything so that you can label it and know what it is. And then for certain things you can put the dates on too so you don't lose outdated or expired product. April Showers Diffuser Blend. So also in your big bonus box, you'll get empty bottles. So it looks like this, but it's empty and you can make a new diffuser blend. So this one is citrus fresh, grapefruit, and tea tree, and oregano. So all of the oils. And you're making a blend. And then Happy Home Carpet and Scrubbing Powder. So baking soda you'll need from home, but then you're using grapefruit, oregano, and tea tree. Add all ingredients to a bowl and whisk together until the oils are evenly distributed, and then pour into a jar for storage. This is like a good carpet sprinkle, just a refresher. You can also use it as a scrubbing powder. So you sprinkle on the grime, spray with your cleaner to dampen it, and it's like a scrub, your very own soft scrub. Simple Floor Cleaner is next, and this is a cleaning balm.